In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for research and data analysis. There's a lot of power and flexibility packed into this tool, making it ideal for organizing and analyzing all sorts of information, be it for academic purposes, market research, or just keeping tabs on your competitors. So let's dive right in and get you set up with a functional and efficient Airtable research database. First things first, you'll want to design your research database. This involves creating a base, which essentially serves as the hub for all your data and research efforts. Think about what your primary focus is and start from there. For instance, if you're aiming to track market trends, you might name your base something like market research. If you're keeping an eye on competitors, competitor tracking makes sense, whereas gathering information for a school project might fall under academic research. Maybe you're handling interviews. Customer interviews could be apt. The goal is to create a base that's intuitive and specific to your needs. This naming convention isn't just for organization, it sets the stage for functional tables and fields that are easy to navigate. Once you have a base, it's time to structure your tables. A table in Airtable is akin to a spreadsheet, and it's here where you break down the various elements or topics you need to cover. Think of each table as a different segment of your research. Within market research, for instance, you might have tables for demographics, product trends, and consumer feedback. Each of these tables can house different fields where you'll define exactly what kind of data you're capturing, be it text, numbers, attachments, or even barcodes. Structuring tables thoughtfully at the start keeps your data organized and allows for smoother navigation and analysis later on. Remember, Airtable's flexibility is one of its strengths, so don't be afraid to customize and adjust your tables as your research evolves. After structuring your tables, it's time to import your research data. Airtable makes this part straightforward and efficient by allowing you to import data from various sources. Whether your existing data lives in CSV files, Excel spreadsheets, or Google Sheets, you can bring it into Airtable seamlessly. Simply upload your files and map them into the appropriate fields. Airtable will match the columns of your spreadsheet with the fields in your tables, making the transition smooth. This means that all your existing research doesn't have to be re-entered manually, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. And there you have it. By creating an organized base, structuring your tables thoughtfully, and leveraging ease of data import, you can use Airtable to streamline your research and data analysis tasks. Whether you're collecting feedback, analyzing competitors, or diving into a new academic project, these steps will put you on the path to becoming an Airtable Pro. Thanks for watching and happy researching.